Good morning, Facebook. Hello, Facebook. It is Sunday, the 27th of December, 2020. 2020 is almost over. Almost over, hoping for a much better 2021. I think everybody agrees with that. So let's see.
Out with the old, in with the new.
Yeah. What a year it's been.
Yes.
So, want to talk about a few things we have going on, and thank you everybody for tuning in. A lot of people joining in now. It is Sunday, 11 o'clock, and we are open tonight. Tonight is the last night for our lobster mac and cheese special, $9.99 to go. It's the last night. It's normally like $21.99 if you have it in house. It's $9.99 to go. It's the last night of this. So enjoy that. It's also $9.99 shrimp and mussels in a green Thai curry. That special we do every Sunday. Shrimp and green curry mussels, $9.99. That's one of my favorite dishes. It comes with our organic brown rice and broccoli, and it's just such a really good dish. I love curry, especially green curries with seafood like that. So that you can also eat that in house. It's just the different price. The $9.99s are extreme takeout deals. And let's see, next week's deal is coming. That will be announced here very soon. We know what it is. We just got to get some graphic arts done and get it posted. The thing that Jamie and I are working on right now, it's been such a whirlwind of a holiday season that we've just been so busy with, especially with our Airbnb, trying to get that launched, which it is launched. Our guests are there. They're checking out today. Then we have new guests coming in 2 more days. The Christmas Day soup kitchen here keeps us very busy. So we are just like all over the place with the holidays. So, but we want to. We've been talking about this, about doing something for New Year's Eve. Like, what are we doing for New Year's Eve? What are we doing for New Year's Eve? Of course, we have a lot of people that are saying, hey, I want to come out New Year's Eve. If you guys are going to have like a small little something there, not overly crowded, we'd totally be in for that. The problem is Governor Cuomo will not allow us restaurants to be open after 10 o'clock. That happened about a month ago. He put that mandate out where restaurants have to shut their doors by 10 o'clock. It's hurt my business on Fridays and Saturdays especially because people from New York City come up, they go and check into Airbnbs, they come up with their weekend homes, and we always have a later crowd sitting here eating at 10:15, 10 o'clock. They come in at 9:45, and these are the same type of people that are eating at 6 o'clock in my restaurant. We're not a bar. We're a restaurant with a nice bar. So that's really hurt my business over the last 4, 5, 6 weeks. That extra 1 or 2 tables at the end of the night that I have to turn away or ask people to leave that are sitting here enjoying an extra drink or may want to have dessert. So New Year's Eve is no different. 10 o'clock statewide, you have to be out of restaurants.
That's if it doesn't change this week.
Of course, Governor Cuomo could change that and say, well, New Year's Eve is a big party night, and we know a lot of people go out, so let's just say 5 o'clock. That could be probably what might be happening. That happened in Pennsylvania on Wednesday before Thanksgiving. The governor said nobody at bars, nobody at restaurants, nobody going out after 5 o'clock.
Well, they could go out, they just couldn't order alcohol after 5.
Oh, they couldn't order alcohol after 5.
Yeah, the restaurants were open. They just couldn't order alcohol after 5.
After
so
5.
If you didn't have a bottle of wine on your table before 5 o'clock,
so who knows what's going to happen. So anyway, right now, currently, we couldn't even have you in here after 10 o'clock. Because people said, oh, we want to come down and, and watch the ball fall and do a toast. If you're going to have like 15, 20 people in there, that's perfect. And realistically, that's what we could do, but we can't do it because of the Governor Cuomo's mandate. So we're doing a 5 o'clock seating, a 7 o'clock seating. We'll seat you up until 8 o'clock or so and do that. So we're catering in our Airbnb because our Airbnb has guests, so we're catering that night in the Airbnb. And then we're thinking like, okay, takeout special. What are we going to do? So here's what we're doing. We are, and we just got a text message from a friend who was like, look at what this other restaurant's doing. And this has forced us to now say, it's time.
We were going to do it.
We were going to do something. We just weren't sure what.
Honestly, New Year's has crept up on us.
New Year's has crept up because we're so busy.
And we didn't realize it was this week.
So we're going to do a New Year's Eve party box. New Year's Eve, New Year's Day party box. For two people. So here's what you're going to get. All right. Here's what you're going to get. You're going to get, this is all take-home stuff. So for 2, your choice of a bottle of Chardonnay or Tempranillo, a white or a red. All right. Your choice of Jamie's Manhattan or our Fig and Peach Punch. So 2 cocktails. Then you're going to get lobster mac and cheese, which comes in a pouch sealed. You just drop it in water and it reheats like that, and you open it up and you serve it. And our cheese plate. So 2 appetizers. Entrees, you get to choose 2 from either our salmon, our ribeye, or a vegetarian dish. All right. So then dessert comes cheesecake and our chocolate torte, 1 of each, cheesecake and chocolate torte. Then we're going to give you a bottle. We're going to give you a bottle of the new Rosé Prosecco. So Rosé is a brand new for Rosé Prosecco. They've been making Rosé Prosecco, but not legally Prosecco.
Not calling it.
They can't call it Prosecco, but they've been calling it Prosecco and misusing the term. Well, now as of January 2021, the new regulations come out in Italy, and you can legally have, if you follow the guidelines, Rosé Prosecco. You have to add Pinot Nero in here, Pinot Noir from northern Italy, from that Alto Adige region. So you can now officially have Rosé Prosecco, legally Rosé Prosecco you can have, and it's labeled Rosé. It has the DOC on it. It's official. So that is out in January, maybe as late as February, but that's out. We already have the stuff here. It's already here and labeled with DOC. We got it early. Not sure if we're allowed to advertise early, but we got it early. So I'm going to throw that bottle in at no charge, all right?
That's what you toast with at midnight.
That's what you toast with at midnight. Then the next day, you'll get our mimosa kit, which is organic Natalie's orange juice, a bottle of sparkling Sauvignon Blanc from South Africa, 2 H&H bagels from New York City. We now bring in H&H bagels and we stock them here. So
Sesame
sesame or everything. People love H&H bagels from New York City. We get the same bagels here. They bake them, they freeze them, and they ship them, and they pack them and ship them to us. So 2 bagels, wild smoked salmon. You get a 3-ounce package of wild coho smoked salmon, organic cream cheese, and 6 of these amazing French donuts. We get these donuts when we do special parties. We bring these in. One of our high-end distributors, one of our really high-end distributors, sells all this specialty stuff and fancy stuff. Sells a lot to New York City restaurants. They have these amazing round donuts, powdered donuts that they import from Paris, and they are fruit filled. They have a chocolate one filled as well. We have the fruit ones in the freezer right now. We bought them last week for a party, so we're gonna get more of those. So these amazing. You just basically thaw them, room temperature, and in like a half an hour, you have this most amazing French donut. So all that together comes out to about
$185.
About $185. If you were to order this from us, this. If you were to order like everything separately and take it home that night for a to-go order, it'd be $185. We're doing it for $149.99, so $150. So basically, you get this for free. Now, because New York State is very strict on their alcohol regulations, I can't say I'm giving you that for free. I could say I'm giving it for free, but I can't really give it for you to free. Technically, I have to go in and do my math and make sure that if I get audited from the liquor authority that this bottle of wine was calculated into the cost of all the food and all that kind of stuff, and I made a profit on it. All these regulations that the liquor authority throws on us, some of them are very antiquated, some of them, make sense, some of them don't make sense. But, so I really can't say this is free, but it is, we're not charging you for it. We're not charging you for this, or we're not charging you for the other $30, whatever part of it. So it's $150. We're working on the graphic arts for that right now. It'll be posted very soon. We'll have an email out very soon. And again, I'm just going to go over it one more time. By the way, if you're watching live, drop a comment, #live. It's on the replay, #replay. You got a lot of people tuning in.
Do. Happy holidays to everybody, and hello. There's a lot of people on here today, so Thank you for watching.
So again, New Year's Eve, you pick this up on New Year's Eve day, and you can pick it up anytime after 2 o'clock or so, I would probably say. Your choice of wine, a white or red, a Chardonnay or Tempranillo. Jamie's Manhattan or her Fig Punch, Fig Peach Punch, which is made with Black Infusions vodka. I saw Michael Davidson on. So Michael, if you are there, just drop a hello, Michael. Michael makes the Black Infusions vodka. Michael gave me this awesome pullover that I've been wearing like crazy lately. Somebody said, "Oh, what is that?" And the other day I said, "It's one of my favorite vodka companies." So Jamie's Manhattan or the Fig and Peach Punch, lobster mac and cheese plate, choice of 2 entrees. You get the salmon ribeye or a vegetarian dish, chocolate torte and cheesecake. Midnight toast is the Prosecco, the rosé Prosecco. And then you get a kit for the morning, a mimosa kit for the morning, 2 H&H bagels, 3 ounces of wild coast salmon, an organic cream cheese, Organic Valley cream cheese, and 6 of these most amazing French donuts that we get from our distributor who imports them from Paris. They are like amazing. They also import these amazing croissants.
All of that for how much?
$150, $149.99.
Plus tax, right?
Plus tax.
Yep.
Plus tax. We have to charge you tax. Governor Cuomo needs tax dollars. New York needs tax dollars. So yes, we have to. So thanks everybody for tuning in. We really appreciate it.
If you would like that,
start calling. Start calling right now.
647
3000
845
647 3000. Call right now. Jamie will start answering the phone on that. I imagine we're going to probably limit it to about 30 or so of these that we can do. I imagine. So we always have to kind of think at the end and like, how much lobster do I have to have for lobster mac and cheese? How many cases of this do we need to make on hand? Till we run out. So I imagine we can do 30, 35 of these. So don't wait too long to reserve. And we are open at 5 o'clock that day. So you can sit down at 5 o'clock, you can sit down at 7 o'clock. You can really sit down as late as 8, 8:15, but you have to be out by 10. Governor Cuomo wants us out by 10.
Thursday night.
I can't believe Thursday night already.
I know.
Cannot believe it. So
happy almost New Year to everybody.
Yep. That's really it. That's it. I have we got a little work to do. We got to put this in writing and get it posted and get an email going out. So sounds delicious. Excellent. Thank you. So hello to everybody tuning in who just tuned in. Hello everybody. Good morning.
A lot of people on today.
A lot of people on. So all right, awesome. Anything else, Jamie?
Don't forget our special tonight.
Special tonight, yep.
$9.99 lobster mac and cheese.
It's the last night for $9.99 lobster mac and cheese.
It'll come back,
but it's the last night for it. It's a week-long special. We do all these week-long specials. The next special is going to be our barbecued smoked pork sandwich for $9.99. That's coming up. It starts tomorrow. That is going to be awesome.
You decided.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Is there going to be another one too? Another special?
We'll do our daily specials. So we'll have the Monday buy one get one wing special. So we'll have our regular specials as well. Plus that, I don't know if we'll do another one. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know. So I think once the New Year's week starts, I think we'll do another really aggressive one, big aggressive one. So, because that's when we're typically slower, and we got to keep our staff busy. Have to keep our staff busy. Have to keep food moving out of here. Have to keep people fed. So our $9.99 specials are priced very, very aggressively.
Tina said she's eating a H&H bagel right now, and they're delicious.
Excellent. Excellent. They bought a 6-pack from us yesterday. So the H&H bagels, if you want to buy H&H bagels from us, we have them in stock. The cinnamon raisin, the sesame, and the everything. They come half dozen, $9. $9 half dozen. It's actually better price than if you were to walk into H&H Bagels and buy the bagel from them there. So it's a better price. You can just pop them right in your oven and reheat them, and they are amazing. H&H bakes them and freezes them right there in their plant, in their bakery. They freeze them there, and then they get shipped out. So they don't sit around for a day and then get frozen. They are freshly frozen, which makes a difference. If you freeze something that's stale, it's going to get thawed and it's going to be stale. But if you freeze something that's fresh, it stays fresh. So that's the story of that. We've been going through a lot of those. We're sold out of pizzas too. When do they come back in? Tuesday. Our pizzas from Naples, from Italy, come back in. We sold a ton of them this week. A lot of them, more than we thought.
Get your groceries also.
Yep, your groceries.
Get groceries. Place your orders.
Cheryl says they're great. Hi, Cheryl. How's it going? Cheryl, thank you very much for that gift you gave us.
That crystal is amazing.
Crystal is amazing, yes.
If you are looking for crystals, definitely check out...
check out Cheryl.
Drop the name of your site.
Yeah, Cheryl, drop the name of your business. I think it's Empire Crystals. So drop that. Chris says the pizzas were great. Yeah, Chris, those pizzas.
Those pizzas would be good on New Year's too. So
those pizzas would really be good on New Year's.
So yeah, place your grocery order. Come in, get your wine, your liquor, your beer, whatever you want for New Year's. Place your order with us. Place it early. Try not to wait till Thursday morning. Sorry, everybody. Marcus is. Try not to wait till Thursday morning to place your order for your New Year's groceries. It's hard for me to, with limited staff right now, to pack the orders without being stressed out. So please make sure that you are placing those orders a little bit earlier than day of. I am here all day Tuesday and Wednesday this week. So if you want to stop in, pick up any of our groceries, please just give me a call. I'll open the front door for you. You can come in, we can pack your order, you can look at our shelves. We got a lot of awesome stuff on our shelves, in our freezers. We have wild salmon, we have sable fish is back.
So if it's like halibut's out.
But if you want to pick up groceries this week, just let us know. We're here all day Tuesday and Wednesday, and we'd love to help you get prepared for New Year's Eve, or even just great groceries going into the New Year's.
Yep.
So,
or if you need a bottle of wine for New Year's Eve,
yep,
we've got you covered. Just have to buy something substantial, which isn't a problem.
So
you can get a bottle of wine.
But this awesome New Year's Eve special that you're doing is awesome. What are you calling the party box, right? For
New Year's
two.
Eve party box
New
for
Year's
two.
Eve party box for two, $149.99 plus tax. There's some awesome things in there. What a great way to ring in the new year, eating Aroma Thyme healthy food. So
yep.
Cheryl just dropped Empire Minerals. That is, check her out on Facebook. She's got some awesome stuff there. And I plan on getting some more pieces from her. I really like her stuff. So let's see. Tonight, we'll just repeat it because there's a lot of new people coming on. $9.99 lobster mac and cheese ends tonight. And we have our green curry mussels and shrimp tonight to go. Those are to go orders only for $9.99. Call, place your order. You can call and place your order now if you know you want to order from us. And then check out our email. Our email will come out with the New Year's Eve party box, $149.99 for two. It's awesome. It's got lots of cool stuff in there, and breakfast in the morning. So you don't even need to think about it. You can party the night away, wake up in the morning, and have your breakfast right at your fingertips, ready to go. That will come out here in a few minutes on our email, on our website. I believe it'll be posted on our website as well.
Yep. And you can order regular takeout food off of our menu
Yep.
too if you just wanted a ribeye steak.
So we are open New Year's Eve.
We're open New Year's Eve.
Right now we're going to try to do a 5 and a 7 o'clock seating. Remember, we have limited tables inside. Or you can take out and enjoy our food in the comfort of your own home. So, or groceries. I mean, we got a lot of options for you. So hope everybody is well. And thank you very much for watching us. Lots of awesome people on. Share this with your friends. Give us a hashtag live if you're watching this live, and give us a little thumbs up so we know you're here. And I think that's it. Anything else you want to add?
No, that's it.
I know we went on and on and on today,
Yep.
but lots of cool stuff here at Aroma Time, and we always want to share it with you. Stay healthy, stay well, take that vitamin C, vitamin D, get outside. I actually was going to go to the gym, but I think I'm going to go out for a run. It's nice out right
it's
now.
clear blue sky.
So thanks everybody again, and we will see you soon. I'm sure Marcus will do another Facebook Live later.
But no, you are.
Oh, I am.
You
yes.
are. Okay.
Bye everybody.